Are you ready to take your manufacturing standards to new heights? Look no further than the remarkable advancements brought by Feedscrew Machines. With their cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, Feedscrew Machines are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. These incredible machines offer a range of benefits that can elevate your production processes and boost your overall efficiency. Enhanced precision. Feedscrew machines operate with incredible accuracy, ensuring precise and consistent results with every use. Say goodbye to variations and errors that may occur with manual processes. Increased productivity. By automating various manufacturing tasks, Feedscrew machines significantly enhance productivity. They can handle high volumes of work with speed and efficiency, enabling you to meet tight deadlines and scale your production output. Versatility in application. Feedscrew machines are adaptable to a wide range of industries and manufacturing processes. These machines can be customized to meet your specific needs. Improved efficiency. With Feedscrew machines, you can streamline your workflows and optimize resource utilization. These machines reduce material waste, minimize downtime, and maximize the utilization of raw materials, resulting in cost savings and improved overall efficiency. Technological advancements. Feedscrew machines have witnessed significant technological advancements, incorporating features such as intelligent controls, real-time monitoring, and data analytics. This empowers manufacturers with insights into process optimization, predictive maintenance, and continuous improvement, taking their operations to the next level. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let us guide you through the remarkable benefits and possibilities that Feedscrew machines bring to your manufacturing operations. Together, let's shape the future of manufacturing with innovation, efficiency, and excellence.